The visual guide to lockpicking is the definitive guide for learning the art of picking locks. This video explains several types of locks and picking techniques. Modern computer graphics and animations allow for cutaway views that never have been before possible. This video not only makes lockpicking possible, but clearly shows you how, so that you can get started today. Quickly learn the secrets of the trade from this video's concise yet informative style. By practicing and applying the methods introduced here, it is possible to master the picking of most modern locks. The visual guide to lockpicking introduces warded locks, pin tumblers, wafer tumblers, master locks, and even some high security pins. It dissects the locks, showing every moving part, making it easy to see how they work. Step-by-step instructions are given for picking each type of lock. The visual guide to lockpicking will lead you through the entire process, introducing the necessary tools and covering several techniques, leading you to that satisfying click as the lock springs open.